how to make money crazy fast with big trending offers and search traffic and any other traffic platform you want to do. We're 4 days into the month. That is $8,000 right there. Crazy, crazy, crazy money promoting offers you wouldn't expect and offers you do see here. If you search for offers, I mean, they got tons of offers. You'll find offers and you can make $1 million with just one platform, guys. You don't need a ton of platforms. I'm on several different platforms and I make it work. Okay. Now you could totally go on all sorts of different platforms or just one. So if you want to find a great offer that's trending, you could go directly to one of the CPA networks you're signed up on. And then you can literally ask the actual affiliate managers you have, say to them, hey man, what are the best offers you guys are using right now? What are the highest trending offers too? And then you leverage that with search traffic. So you go to Google AdWords and you run literally search traffic of people interested. So they got marketed to, okay, with interruption marketing. And then they go ahead and they're like, hey, I want to go search this up and find it. And then they go direct to the source on their own time when they're ready and they convert on the offer, pay for the right traffic. This traffic's very, very powerful. Now this is just adult marketing I typed in just so I could be here for you guys ready. But let's find a trending offer just from OfferVault. This is a search engine for affiliate offers. Very, very powerful how they have this all in one place for you. If we go to categories, networks, blah, 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 all this different stuff, we can find the best offers. So let's just look at something that pays pretty high. Let's not look at sweepstakes for now. There are methods for sweepstakes. Let's just look at make money. Make money does make money. A lot of Bitcoin. Let's look at this one. 1K in one day. 1K daily profit, possibly stocks. Relevant to stocks. Now we can know what's trending based off the times. We can know what's a mainstream thing that just works. We can go straight to the network you're on and ask them ourselves. Okay. That is the best method. This just helps you if you're not on many networks. I wanted to show you guys this so you can basically find offers on certain networks you want to promote or just big networks in general. They'll sort the networks for you. Okay. So affiliate networks, and they'll tell you how many offers they have. And so you can look, okay, Leadbit has a lot of offers. Okay, this one has a lot of offers, Max Bounty has a lot of offers. I love Max Bounty. Adult Force has a good amount for adult marketing and stuff like this. MaxWeb has a decent amount. They're not crazy or anything. A lot of offers. A lot of offers is great because there's abundance of a bunch of different verticals you can go in. But I've noticed also that there are networks you can join that have very few offers, but they're like quality offers, if you will. So it's really, really nice. So you basically go to Max Bounty, like what are the highest, best trending offers? They tell you all the time too. They'll send you emails. You go over here and you start typing in these offers. Another thing you could do real quick is you can go to trending searches and you can see what's trending. Okay, maybe find some patterns, but we all know crypto can be trending all the time. We all know sports trending, but then there's things that just randomly and things that repeat themselves. Okay, there's things that repeat themselves quite a bit that you could take advantage of. And that's when you know something's a big, big trend. And you can attach a big trend to any offer too. So let's say something's trending like crazy, people are interested in, you could do search traffic and bridge the gap with a landing page that bridges the gap between, okay, they're searching for this, they click on the ad, and then you need to kind of convince them and persuade them, keep it congruent and make believe that they want the offer that's on the other side and make it in connection. So let's say this person's trending and people are searching for this individual and you associate this individual to an offer. Okay, and they're recommending an offer. That can be very powerful indeed. Don't underestimate the power of likability and search traffic and trends. Okay, this is huge. You guys just need to apply it in your own way to the right offer, and the offer does matter. So if you look into your network too, you can see what is the highest converting offer, because highest converting offer does matter a lot because it's the difference between a little bit of money and a lot of money. If it's converting at a high rate, that's important. Okay. Ad combo is a great one. This one I've never seen before, but it looks like it has a lot of offers. This one only has 2 offers. This one only has 1 offer. They could be good offers. They could be bad offers at the end of the day. But sometimes you'll know just by looking here, these freaking networks are making the most money most likely just because of the fact they're advertising, but some don't advertise there that still make a lot of money and have a lot of offers converting. Okay. That's important to know that things are making money. If you want to do crack revenue and find really, really high converting offers on crack revenue, these ones convert really high, but I talked about in a video how to promote each one of these the right way. Free traffic was best for these, free traffic best for that, even somewhat free traffic for that and paid for that. This one is pop under worldwide. This one right here is you can do paid ads with this one, cost per sale. These are the highest payout offers right here, just to show right off the bat, pay really, really high for what they are. So you can basically spend quite a bit of money to acquire a conversion compared to if you're promoting something for $2, $3, $5, you can literally spend quite a bit to acquire conversions. It's a very big deal. So these ones can do well with paid ads. That's kind of my point there. Powerful to understand. So let's say you want to promote any one of these. Okay, don't do this one. Let's just say you want to do XCams. Let's see if that's trending or at least has a lot of search volume. We sort by that. Hamster XCam. How weird. Free live XCam. These are people literally searching though for it. They're literally looking for the offer. So you could basically do a landing page in between the offer and you can get around a few things or it can get straight up approved. Sometimes Google can be strict. Sometimes it's not. And it's definitely not as strict as freaking Facebook. That is for sure. Okay. Like that is a major important thing to understand. Google Ads is one of the best things out there. So if we go right here, we can actually search different freaking campsites if you want. Okay, just for example, like this is just an example. Cams. See which one's trending the most. This is Google Trends, so you kind of know. Oh, okay. So you know right off the bat that Chaturbate is the most popular by far. So if you wanted to promote something, this is essentially the best product to promote the searches. Okay. Now you can even go down here and look up things like, oh, what's trending the most? I mean, OnlyFans is crazy trendy. Just a random words there. Okay, let's see. My Free Cams, Chaturbate W. These are breakout keywords. There's nothing you could do with that one. This one could be something. This is SEO. Okay, so if you wanted to do free traffic, guys, and a lot of you guys do want to do free traffic, you basically make content around big offers where attention is. So you could do the Chaturbate and make a ton of content around that and be an affiliate for Chaturbate like crazy. You could be an affiliate for people who become content creators on there, and you can be an affiliate for people who go sign up, and you get paid per lead and per sign up and all this stuff. And you can choose to be paid for live, which could be also very powerful. You get a rev share for life, which is really crazy. I promoted a little bit of Chaturbate before, but I haven't gone crazy with it. If you want to go all in on something, you can make a lot of money. And there's no reason why you can't make content around all these too. So content marketing is what you want to do in this scenario, is what I'm saying. If you want to do paid ads for this one, do paid ads for this one. We could show you right now over here how much search volume actually there is. Okay, Chaturbate. This is crazy. People may be looking to sign up or something. Okay, so we want to look into this. Which keywords are opportunity? You don't want to do these keywords. These are like people, I'm assuming, and usernames that people are searching up, okay, that are popular or something. But what we want to do, you could literally do this. Chaturbate, sign up. Find some ideas from that, okay? Chaturbate, sign up, only 10. Oh, broadcast. This is actually kind of a good keyword. Even though there's 10 people per month, it's money to be made right there. And there's other keywords just like it. So let's see. Let's do Chaturbate, sign up, Chaturbate. Let's just go back to Chaturbate and look for more ideas, because this is a huge keyword. I mean, to get so much search volume. Mature, Chaturbate milk, Chaturbate, Chaturbate live. You might just want to do content all around, and just a certain percentage will convert. But if you were wanting to do paid ads, like I said, you could look for opportunities to have people sign up. But usually if someone's searching it right here in this scenario for this offer specifically, not all the other offers you could promote out there, these people are usually just searching to go onto the site. What you really want to do is, let's say you want to promote some offer that is in the category, addiction's a good one, addiction, relief, stuff like that, clothing, anything e-com could work. You want something very niche specific in a way, so I think Nutra's good. I'm trying to find it. Yeah, so there's Nutra. This one right here, Min Power Formula. Literally, whatever it's called, you can literally do brand bidding and kind of get around it. It's very powerful. It's so powerful, in fact, that sometimes it's not allowed. That's how powerful it is, okay? It makes money, money, money. The only thing you got to do, you sign up on a network, you find different offers, you even ask for what are the top offers, and because there's search traffic around it and interruption marketing and people going and searching, you can leverage search traffic, guys, okay? Get in front of people who are literally looking to buy. Powerful. You could even base it off of the payout. Let's say you want to sign up on a network that has a high payout Nutra. This one right here, all these keto shot, keto ones, okay? Let's just look at this for the sake of the video here. Keto shots. Keto shot, boom. People are literally, there's so much attention around this. There's so much interruption marketing specifically that you can literally come in and take advantage of the search traffic. Cost per click may be around $1. The competition may be a little high. Where the money is, that's where you want to be. This is huge opportunity for anyone. Okay, you could direct link if you want and get around it, or you can make a really good pre-sale page that's a review for One Shot Keto or any other freaking Nutra offer I'll show in here. So much search volume. Just find what's making money and get in front of that and ride the wave, man. I literally have a done for you campaign service, and peace out, learn machine.